Today, I'm going to teach you how to add blog posts to your Squarespace website. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to share content, build an audience, or establish expertise through regular updates on their site. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add your blog posts. This will open up the editing interface for that specific site, giving you access to all its pages and settings. Now, look at the left side menu and click on Website. Directly under this option, you'll see Pages, so go ahead and click that. This section is where all your site's pages are organized, making it easy to navigate and manage your content structure. You'll now see all the pages that currently exist on your website. Your task here is to find your blog page from this list and click on it. This opens up the blog page editor where you'll be able to create and manage individual blog posts. With your blog page open, look again at the left side menu and click the plus icon. This is the button that allows you to create new content, and clicking it will start the process of adding a fresh blog post to your site. At this point, you're ready to create your blog post. You'll notice some text at the top of the editor. Click on this first text element to open up the blog post settings. Here you have several options to customize your post. You can add a featured image that will represent your post visually, adjust the author information to reflect who wrote it, and even enable the link post title to source URL option if you want your post title to direct readers to an external link. Take a moment to configure these settings according to your needs. Next, click on the title field so you can enter your post title. This is what readers will see first, so make it clear and engaging. The title should accurately reflect the content of your blog post while capturing attention. Below the title, you can add the actual text content for your blog post. This is where you'll write your main article, story, or update. Squarespace's editor makes it easy to format your text, add images, embed videos, and structure your content exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with your blog post and have reviewed everything, click Publish. This makes your post visible to visitors on your website. You might need to wait just a moment while Squarespace processes your changes. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Simply click Done to finish the process. And there you have it. Your blog post is now live on your Squarespace website, ready for your audience to read and engage with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.